how to download Play Store on your Windows 11 or 10 PC and laptop. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can download, install and use the Play Store on any Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. So now to download the Play Store on your PC or laptop, the very first thing that you need to do, simply go ahead and open up the Microsoft Edge browser from your computer. Simply go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for Edge right over here. And once you have searched for it, he'll get to see the Microsoft Edge. You just need to click on this one and you just need to open up the Microsoft Edge browser. And from the browser, simply go ahead and search for Google Play Store. So I'm going to search for Google Play Store right over here. And he'll get to see the very first link, play.google.com. You just need to head into this one and he'll get to see the Google interface. So now to install the Google Play Store on your computer, you just need to go all the way to the right side and click on this three-dot line right over here. And then simply go ahead and click on apps. And he'll get to see the install this site as an app. So you just need to click on this one. And this is gonna actually send to this one, so you can actually edit the name right from here. So let's say I'm gonna type in Google Play Store and then simply go ahead and click on install right over here, and it will start installing right to your computer. And once the application installed, you just need to check mark this option as well, create desktop shortcut, and tap on allow. And you're pretty much good to go. Now if I go to the home page of my device, so he'll get to see the Play Store has been installed on my computer. Now if I open this up, here you get the Play Store right over here. You can go to the apps and you can download any Android apps from here. Hope you find this video helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.